The chairman of Supreme Council SKSSF to declare the committee SKSSF executive, national executive for the year 2024-2026. Sir, thank you.
Now I am declaring the new committee for 2024 to 2026. President Sayyid Moin Tangal Hudavi, Assam. Vice President 1 Sayyid Mubashir Tangal, Jamalili, Kerala. Rafiq Hudavi, Kolar, Karnataka. Tariq Anwar, West Bengal. General Secretary Aslam Faisi, Bangalore. Working Secretary Mansoor Hudavi, Kolkata. Joint Secretaries 1 Shafi Mashriki, Hyderabad. Sharafuddin Hudavi, Assam. Sayyid Mudassir Tangal, Bihar. Organizing Secretaries 1 Ashik Madakara, Aligarh. Abdullah Misbahi, Andhra Pradesh. Umar Farooq, Chennai. Treasurer Tasawur Raza, Rajasthan. Executive members Nasif Hudavi, Karnataka. Nasif Faisi, Lakshadweep. Suhail Hudavi, Assam. Dr. Sheet, Delhi. Rais Ahmed, Manipur. Advocate Salim Hussain, Haryana. Tufail Bhatt, Kashmir. Ahmed Raza, Uttar Pradesh. Irshad Hudavi, Maharashtra. Ahmed Hussain, Andaman. Shahjahan Jalali, Tamil Nadu. O.P. Ashraf, Kerala. Ayyub Mutil, Kerala. Bashir Sadi, Kerala. These are the new committees for 2024 to 2026. Okay? Can we approve? Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.